Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. It's a YouTube channel whereby we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of a parallelogram. Specifically, we're given the length of the two sides and an included angle. So the first thing we're going to do, we're in our construction here, we're going to draw a line. We're going to turn on ortho. So we're going to draw a line here, and the length of the line is 80 millimeters. Enter. I'm going to label this line so you can follow along. So we're going to go to a single line text. We're going to turn off snap. This would be A. So the height will be 8. Rotational angle will be 0. We're going to put caps, all caps. So this is A and this is B. Okay? All right, the next step is to construct an angle, the given angle at A. I'm going to give A, I'm going to move A, and we're going to move B too so that it is in line. All right, so at A, we're going to construct the 60-degree angle. All right? So we're going to come and we're going to go arc, 3-point arc, start, center, end. So we need to turn on object snap by enabling this button. We're going to click there, that will be the center, and we want the radius to be 20 millimeters. So we're going to go, we need to turn off ortho. Right, there is our line. Then where the arc intersects the baseline AB, we're going to draw another arc. So we're going to go to center, start, end. At this point, we're going to mark an arc which is equal to the radius is equal to the previous radius that we drew the first arc. So that it would be 20. And here it is. Where the arc intersect the previous arc, a line drawn from A that will give you 60 degrees. So I go from A to the intersection, enter. That line would be the 60-degree angle. What I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this line, okay? So I click on here and I draw it tall. All right? Now, we can actually check the angle, So we're going to check the angle. So we're going to go angular and we're going to click this line, and you see that it is 60 degree right there, okay? We're going to move this a little bit closer. So this is a construction of a 60-degree angle. What we're going to do now, we're going to mark off the distance along the line, this line to give you AD, right? So AD is 35 millimeters. So what we're going to do, we're going to come here, we're going to go arc. If you have a compass, you would put it at A. The radius will be 35 millimeters. Enter. And this will be the arc. Okay? Where this arc intersect the 60-degree line, that is D. So let us go to single line text. I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna turn off object snap, and we're gonna put it right here to represent D. So this will be D. All right, we're gonna move it so that the letter is not resting on the line or in contact with the line. So I'm gonna put it right there. All right, so this point is D. What we're gonna do now, from B, we're gonna scribe an arc which is equal to the length of the shorter side, which is 35 millimeters. All right. So we're going to put our compass at B. So we're going to go center, start, end. So we're going to turn on object snap by enabling that button. So you would put your compass at B and you would mark an arc equal to 35 millimeters because that is the length of AD. Then from D, we're going to mark an arc which is equal to the length of AB, which is 80. So we're going to go 80. Where the two arcs intersect, that is a parallelogram that is required. So we're going to draw straight lines from D to this intersection. And I need to label C so we can follow. So here we're going to turn off object snap. And the height would be 8 millimeters. Rotational angles would be 0. And this would be C. So what we're doing, we're drawing straight lines from D to C and B to C. So we're going to go line from B to C. We need to turn on object snap. So let us go again. Line from B to C, enter. And this would be the required parallelogram. So let us put, I'm gonna break, so I select this, select there. All right, so let us put these lines now on the outline layer, okay? So put it on there. So if you have a 3H pencil or 2H pencil, you would darken it, and this would be the required parallelogram. I want to maintain this construction line, so I'm going to extend it. I'm going to use the extend command, and I'm going to extend this to indicate, right? That's a construction, so I'm maintaining my construction lines. All right, so let us label it now. So it is text, go to my text layer. I'm going to go multi-line text, and I'm going to go from there to there, right? So the height, I'm going to make the height 4 millimeters. So I'm going to type 4. All right, so this is to construct a parallelogram given an angle and two sides. All right, so we can say AB is equal to 880 millimeters. BC, so we're going to put a comma here, comma. BC is equal to 35 millimeter, and angle BAD is equal to 60 degrees. All right. Okay, so let's so this is this. So what we can do, we can actually Right, so this is our completed drawing for today's class. So in today's video, we looked at the construction of a parallelogram given an angle and the two sides. Good job if you got yours looking splendid, as it always is. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of a rhombus. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.